The second paragraph in your communication analysis speech is all about the artifact that you have selected. So in a lot of ways, this is one of the more fun sections of the speech. The very first thing that you have to do in the artifact paragraph is describe the artifact that you've selected. Tell us what it is. Give us the full context. Tell us why the artifact is important to understand. And then you have to fully unpack the artifact using the theory that you discussed in the previous paragraph. So you're going to take those planks, that step-by-step breakdown of the theory, and walk through each step using examples from the artifact. So you're trying to answer the question of whether or not the artifact meets the criteria laid out by the theory. And how does the artifact meet that criteria? Does that artifact meet the criteria? And you're walking through the theory step by step in order to try to answer this question. And when you are doing this, you're using direct quotations and examples in order to unpack the theory and unpack the artifact. So let's say, for example, that the artifact that you selected was the Me Too movement. You might take a look at the protest signs that were used in that movement and take a look at the protest signs through something like visual communication. And so you would explain in your theory section what visual communication is, whether the visual can argue, that sort of thing, and you'll break down visual communication step by step. And then in the artifact section, you take those steps and look at the specific quotations and examples from the Me Too movement and look at it in each of those steps. So this is where you're really digging into the meat of the speech and really coming to understand the artifact and the theory put together. So everything's kind of melding and coming together in this paragraph, and we're really starting to get to know the artifact and get to know the theory and just really get that really deep understanding.